Hey there, this is Ed from Barnabas Robotics. I'm excited today to introduce the Cyclone arcade game project. So this is the arcade game there in on your screen in case you're not familiar. The way it works is that there's a bunch of LEDs going around in a circle and they light up one at a time. So it looks like this little lights going around and just racing around there. And you'll see it has this button right here. Okay, you press the button whenever the light gets to a certain point. Okay, so you want the light to stop at a specific light while it's going super fast. And if you do that, then you win a bunch of tickets. Okay, I always thought it was fun. I love playing this game at the arcade, and then thought, hey, let's make a project out of it using cardboard and electronic parts. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do in this video is we're actually just gonna build the external part of it by sticking on our lights onto our little template here. All right, so let's change camera views. Okay, so in your kit, you have a box. Okay, well, outside the kit, I guess there's this box. We're gonna use that. But inside the box, you're gonna have this here, which is it's actually like a wood wreath template, but I thought it'd be perfect for this cyclone thing. It's got 8 holes. Okay, so you need to grab that. You're gonna grab these sticky foams here. I guess you can see here. Yeah, these sticky foams. Okay, and you're gonna need to get all these lights. So there's a baggie in your kit there with all these lights. All right, so put the lights to the side for now. The first thing we want to do is put these sticky foams in the right spot. I have some sticky residue there. This is a backup one, but it'll be good enough to show in as a demonstration. Your wreath thing will be perfect. Mine will have a little sticky residue, but not a big deal. All right, so you take your sticky foam and put it under the hole like that. Okay, and you can go ahead and peel it off so it becomes sticky. And you just repeat. You're gonna go again. The sticky needs to be towards the inside of the circle, not on this side, toward the outside, on the inside. You just repeat all the way around. Okay. So there's another one. Keep going. 2. And there's gonna be that one's not perfect, but that's okay. I kind of rushed it a little bit. That's all right. What am I at? 4. 5. 6. 7. And last one. And 8. Okay. And then peel that off so it'll be sticky. All right, I'm putting it up here so you can see. Turn it around. So it's going to look like that, okay, with all the little stickies. And then while we're like that, then you take your lights. We have 8 of them. Okay, you're going to take the light, you're going to stick it through the hole, and then you're going to bend it so that the wires then stick onto the sticky foam. You can push down, give a good connection there, and then you turn it around and see, and the light is nicely in there. All right, and you just repeat all the way around. Second light, and third light, and fourth light. And I'm showing you every single one just so you can see the whole process. I could just like speed it up, but I don't really like doing that. I like for you to see the whole thing. We can talk while we're doing this. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, make sure you push down real nice to get some good connection onto that adhesive there. And we're done. Last one. Okay. Now, if you want to go to the next level, you could also put a piece of tape over that. I'm not going to do that, but I think that would be a good thing to make it stronger. Or if you had hot glue, you could put hot glue here too, just to go to the next level. But for testing wise, this is going to be perfectly fine. All right, so you flip it over, and it looks like this. And we're going to pull this out. Here, let me It's easier if you look at the top screen there. All right, so it looks like this now. Got my lights, and then I'm gonna pull all the wires through the hole. It's kind of like a black hole or something, right? So then it's like this. Looks kind of cool. Okay. Then the next thing is we're just gonna pick a light. Okay. That will be our main light, the one that we click on when we touch it, have it win the game. It doesn't matter. Just this will be my winner light. It doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna put 6 sticky foams. Okay. So first we'll put one like here. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. Okay. There. Another one here. Another one here. Okay. Make it sticky by taking off the little papers. And then what we're going to do is actually put another one on top of that, just to give it some extra strength. Okay. I find that this is actually going to stick to our box. I have some more sticky foams here. So we want to make it extra strong by putting 2 sticky foams on it. Double it up. Okay, make sure you take that sticky, that little paper off the first one, otherwise the second one won't stick. Okay, so now we're thick there, and then, oh, I accidentally popped this off. Let's put this back. Then we're gonna take this and stick it into, I mean, if you probably look up here, top right corner. Okay, so this is my these 3 foams here. You're gonna take your box. Got my box here. Okay, if you accidentally threw away your box, you can get a different box. It doesn't really matter. But we're gonna take this part, okay, where they got the 3 stickies. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, there's 3 stickies here. And then you're going to stick it onto the box. Something, there we go. Something like that. Okay, then you're going to push. Okay, push a little bit more. And we are good to go. All right, I'm going to pull this through. Pull all these wires through just to kind of clean up the look here a little bit. And looks pretty nice. All right, the next thing I want to do is let's go ahead and assemble the rest of it. So I want to connect our Uno board. So inside your kit, you're gonna have this right here, okay? So this we want to put somewhere maybe around here. Let me fix the view here. Maybe need to zoom out a little bit for you. Okay, that might help. All right. So this is the front. This is the front of where I have my wheel here. All right. So we want to stick it something like that. That should be good. And then we also have this. This is a breadboard. Okay. Right here. This is a breadboard. I'm gonna teach you how all that works a little bit later, but I want to show you where you want to put it. Then this will go kind of in the center. Want to line it up with the center of your wheel, so probably like around there, because we're gonna put a button here, so it makes sense to have it kind of in the middle, not off to the side. Doesn't really matter, but I kind of like it in the middle. And then so this is kind of right next to it here. All right. Couple notes here. We don't want this too far, okay? Because these wires, they all need to connect to to this. So if this is too far away, it won't reach. So don't get too far away from the wheel. I think this will be good. All right, so then we're just gonna stick it on sticky foams. Okay, we're gonna do two. Oh, I already have some, but these don't stick anymore. So I'm gonna take that off. Put some new ones on. Okay, doesn't matter where you stick it. Here's one, and here is second one, and we're gonna put it something like that. And now this breadboard here, the back of it actually has this peel. You can a piece of paper you can peel off, and then the whole thing will stick onto it. Now this is a old board, so mine doesn't have the nice sticky foam in the back, but yours will. So I have to use sticky foams, which is fine. Okay, now which way do you put it? I want to have it so that, you know, let's do it this way. Okay, you see these numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, so that it counts up this way. I think that would be good. All right, boom, stick it on. So now I got that on there. Cool. Let me show you the other top right camera view, kind of how it looks. Okay, we have this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks like from the back. All right, cool. So that's just the first video, just simple, you know, how to construct it together. We got the lights, our Uno board, and also our breadboard on there. The next step is let's go ahead and wire up the lights.